Welcome to the 2012-2013 school year. I hope you all had a restful summer and are ready to get back into school mode. I've created this screencast to introduce you to the basics of the microbiology and genetics hybrid course that you are all enrolled in. As you know, this class is partially online, so to help you avoid too much frustration, I wanted to give you a little tutorial that you can revisit as needed. First of all, what we're looking at right now is the course Moodle site. Most of you in this class have already had some experience with Moodle, and we're going to go at this kind of trial and error, and this is where we're going to start. Now, last year there were some issues with Moodle. I've been informed that most of those have been taken care of. If problems arise, then we'll do a U-turn or we'll do a 90 and we'll try something different. But this is where we're going to start just because there's so much here. Now, what I wanted to show you were some of the basics. The first thing I'm going to do is this is my view, and so what I want to show you right now is what you will see as you log in, which you may have already seen. And I can control what you can see and what you can't see on here. And this is this is from last semester, last year, and some of the basics. But what I wanted to show you, this first window right here, this first topic, and is the course materials topic. And there's general discussions on here. If you click on them, these are where we're going to do a lot of our work. We're going to have a lot of discussions online, forums, and we'll get into the rules and regulations about that. There's something called netiquette that we're going to talk about. But there's also, there's going to be more, and this is a living document. It's going to change. It's going to be altered quite a bit. So just to give you a heads up, there is a calendar function on here, but we're going to use a different calendar for this class. So just to give you an idea, here's from last year the DNA, RNA, and proteins unit. There are assignments, there are worksheets, there's practice tests, and this will grow and change. You will probably only see one topic or 1 week at a time for this course. The next piece of information I wanted to share with you was Google. Google is a wonderful place. It's home to several useful tools that we'll be using throughout the semester. Again, many of you already are using this, so it's not new. But I just wanted everybody to be on the same page. For this course, every student will be required to have a Google Gmail account. This will allow us to open and share documents as well as give us a safe place to secure class materials, discussion material throughout the course. We can use the Google Chat option, and that's basically where we'd like to start. So this is my email, and it's kind of a mess, but if you notice over here, these are all the people that I can chat with. If you're online, your name comes up green. So one of the things we're going to do is everybody's going to invite me to chat. So once you have your Gmail account, you're going to send me that, and then you're going to invite me to chat so that when we're working on documents, shared documents, collaboration, we can talk through here, and it's a safe and secure environment. And I know many of you do this with Facebook, but that's not as secure and not as safe. This is the school's, I'm sorry. This is the school's Gmail that I use, so everything is safe and secure. The next function that I want to show you is the Google Drive feature. It used to be Google Docs, and you guys, again, many of you have done this, but if you haven't experienced it, this is a great place to store information, to store files. And what I really like about this is the collaboration that you can do. For instance, if I wanted to create a document, I can create a document. But then what's really nice about this is whatever I do here, I can share with other people that have a Google account. And if we do that, we can actually work on it together. And we can work on it at the same time. And some of you have seen this, some of you have not. And it's live. So if I was typing on this screen and I had this shared with somebody else and you had it open, you would actually see the words popping up, and you could be typing at the bottom as well. So nice feature that we're going to use with this class quite a bit for collaboration. The other part of Google I'd like to show you is the Google Calendar. This is very nice, and we use it, the teachers use it with Mr. Kreidemann all the time. And it's a really nice feature on Google, and you can download it to your phone, and it can remind you. You can set reminders. You can invite people to events. You can do a lot of things with that. So I'm going to click on my calendar right now, and you can show different views. This is a week right here. You can show it for the month. Also, I've created a special calendar. Each calendar has different colored squares. I created a Microgen calendar that I will share with you, and I will put information on there. I'll also put information on Moodle, so you'll have kind of two different calendars. But what I like about this Google Calendar is that those of you with smartphones can download it right on your phone, and it will give you updates. You can get reminders for assignments, for big events, for projects. So it makes it hard for you to forget anything. Now, to start out, you're going to see a lot more of these tutorials, a lot more of these screencasts. Some of them will have my face and picture on there, some of them will not. This is just a start. So what we need to do is I need to show you basically what you have to do this week. The first thing you have to do this week is create a Gmail account and share the address with me. Most of you already have this. Now, some of you may have a Yahoo account that works for some things. What I would really like is for you to create a Gmail account. And you can send it to me. I'll type in my email address down here. And it's bundy@hlcsk12.net. Again, pause the video if you need to write this down. But create a Gmail account and share the address with me. Once I get your email, I'm going to send you an invite to chat. Please respond to that so that whenever we're online, I'll have virtual office hours. Sometimes we can chat through here. The next thing you need to do is explore the Google Calendar feature for this class. I'll post some information on there. If you have a smartphone, I highly recommend you put it on there. Explore the Moodle site. Explore what we have going on. You're going to see assignments that will be coming due very shortly. The version that you saw on the screencast may be a little different than what you see now. Again, this is going to change quite a bit, and most likely we're going to do work in a weekly format, and this gives you a chance to see what you have coming up, what you have to get done. And since this is a hybrid course, basically you just need to get it done by a certain day. I would strongly suggest not procrastinating. Many of us do this, myself included, but if you do that, the work will pile up on you at the end of the week, and it will make your life a lot harder. So this concludes the screencast for the Intro to Microbiology Genetics Hybrid class. I'm excited about this class. I hope it's going to be a new experience for all of you and help prepare you for life in college, as college is moving to this format as well. Thank you, and I'll see you in class.